Yo, what is up everybody? It's your name with Tools Insight. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, you gotta have the right tools. We're diving deep into DEWALT, a brand synonymous with quality and performance. Forget the fluff. We're uncovering the 12 DEWALT tools that are absolutely killing it in 2025. These aren't just any old tools. We're talking game changers. From power drills to saws, we're breaking down the best DEWALT has to offer. And we're hooking you up with some insane deals along the way. So buckle up, grab your tool belt, and get ready to upgrade your arsenal. Let's do this. All right, let's kick things off with a bang. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. We're talking 9 essential tools, all powered by DEWALT's legendary 20V Max battery system. First up, the drill driver, a beast for driving screws and drilling through various materials. Next, the impact driver for driving long screws or loosening stubborn bolts. The kit also includes a reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating tool, grinder, work light, and even a Bluetooth speaker. You get two 20 VMAX batteries and a charger, all in a heavy-duty carrying case. Now for the best part, the deal. This entire kit can be yours for a massive discount off the regular price. 9 top-of-the-line DEWALT tools for a fraction of the cost. Trust me, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. All right, gearheads, this one's for you. The DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set is the ultimate companion for automotive and mechanical projects. This 108-piece set includes a comprehensive assortment of sockets, both SAE and metric, plus a variety of wrenches, ratchets, extensions, and other essential tools. The sockets feature DEWALT's direct torque design for a secure grip on fasteners. The ratchets have a 72-tooth gear system for smooth operation and increased torque. The tools are neatly organized in a blow-molded case with a clear lid. And right now, you can get this incredible set at an unbelievable price. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is an investment that will pay dividends for years. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. All right, let's talk about precision cutting. The DEWALT 20V Max circular saw is a game changer for accurate cuts in various materials. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max battery system, you get power without the hassle of a cord. The 612-inch blade handles tasks from framing lumber to light metal work. With a 460 MWO motor, this saw delivers the power and speed you need. One standout feature is its bevel capability, adjustable from 0 to 50 degrees. The saw also features a lightweight and ergonomic design for comfort. Onboard blade wrench storage means quick and easy blade changes. And right now, you can get this incredible saw at a significant discount. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Let's talk about grinding, cutting, and polishing with the DEWALT 20V Max 412-inch cordless angle grinder. This powerhouse is a must-have for any workshop or job site. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max battery system, you get freedom of movement. The 412-inch grinding wheel is perfect for various tasks. With a powerful motor delivering up to 8,000 revolutions per minute, you can tackle tough jobs. The paddle switch design provides comfortable activation, and the 2-position side handle offers increased control. The quick change wheel release allows for tool-free wheel changes. The E-clutch system enhances user protection by shutting down the grinder in bind-up situations. And for a limited time, you can get this grinder at an incredible price. Don't miss out. Let's talk about precision drilling. The DEWALT drill bit set has everything you need for clean, accurate holes. This 21-piece set includes high-speed steel bits with a 135-degree split point tip. No more wobbling or slipping, just clean, accurate holes every time. The set includes a variety of bit sizes, perfect for a wide range of drilling applications. The bits are designed for use in wood, metal, and plastic. This set is incredibly affordable, especially considering the quality. For a limited time, you can get this 21-piece set at a sharp price. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Upgrade your drilling game now. Let's talk about screw driving. The DEWALT screwdriver bit set is built to handle tough jobs. This 40-piece set includes a variety of bit types and sizes. The bits are impact-ready, perfect for heavy-duty applications. The FlexTorq bits feature an extended torsion zone for reduced breakage. Drive screws with confidence, even in tight spaces or at awkward angles. And right now, you can get this 40-piece set at a significant discount. Upgrade your screwdriving game with this versatile set. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Get yours today. A clean workspace is a happy workspace. The DEWALT 20V Max cordless wet-dry vacuum ensures your job site stays spotless. This versatile vacuum tackles both wet and dry messes. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max battery system, you get cordless convenience. The 2-gallon tank capacity handles small to medium-sized messes. The high-performance motor provides powerful suction, while the HEPA filter captures 99.97% of dust particles. Use it to clean up your workshop, job site, or even your car. And right now, you can get this vacuum at a significant discount. Upgrade your cleanup game with this powerful vacuum. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Let's talk about being prepared. The DEWALT 20V Max tire inflator is perfect for keeping in your car or workshop. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max battery system, you get cordless operation. This inflator is small but powerful, perfect for various inflation tasks. Simply attach the hose, set your desired PSI, and press the trigger. The inflator automatically shuts off when it reaches the desired pressure. It's perfect for inflating car tires, truck tires, and even sports balls. And right now, you can get this inflator at a significant discount. Be prepared for any flat tire emergency with this portable inflator. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Let's talk about versatility. The DEWALT 20V Max XR oscillating multi-tool tackles a wide range of tasks. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max XR battery system, you get performance and runtime. The brushless motor delivers up to 20,000 oscillations per minute. The tool-free accessory change system makes it easy to switch between blades and attachments. Compatible with a wide range of DEWALT accessories, this tool can handle it all. Perfect for DIYers, remodelers, and contractors. And for a limited time, you can get this multi-tool at a significant discount. Add this versatile tool to your arsenal today. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Let's talk about being prepared for anything. The DEWALT screwdriver bit set with nut drivers is the ultimate set for various fastening tasks. This 71-piece set includes a variety of bit types and sizes. The bits are made from high-quality steel for durability. They're also magnetic, preventing dropped screws. The set includes nut drivers, perfect for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. The convenient storage case keeps everything organized. And right now, you can get this set at a significant discount. Upgrade your fastening game with this comprehensive set. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Sometimes, you just need the essentials. The DEWALT drill bit set, 14-piece, is perfect for everyday tasks. This set includes a variety of bit sizes, ideal for common drilling tasks. The bits are made from high-speed steel for strength and durability. The 135-degree split-point tip ensures precise starts. Designed for use in wood, metal, and plastic, this set is versatile. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals. And right now, you can get this set at a significant discount. Upgrade your drilling game with this affordable set. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Let's wrap things up with another powerhouse combo kit. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool. Combo Kit 10 Tool is the ultimate set for various tasks. This kit includes 10 essential tools, all powered by DEWALT's 20V Max battery system. The kit includes a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, and more. It comes with two 20V Max batteries and a charger. The tools are lightweight and ergonomic for comfort, perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and contractors. And right now, you can get this combo kit at an unbelievable price. Upgrade your tool collection with this comprehensive set. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. So, there you have it, folks. The top 12 DEWALT tools of 2025 that are guaranteed to elevate your projects. From power and precision to versatility and convenience, DEWALT continues to raise the bar. Remember, we've hooked you up with some insane deals on these must-have tools, so don't miss out. Head over to the links in the description below to grab yours. And be sure to subscribe to Tools Insight for more awesome tool reviews, comparisons, and unbeatable deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.